Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Volvo S60 cabin air filter. This simple maintenance task improves your vehicle's interior air quality significantly. You will need a new cabin air filter, a T25 Torx bit, and a small ratchet or screwdriver. Having a flashlight can also be very helpful. This process typically takes about 15 to 20 minutes, saving you time and money. First, move the passenger seat all the way back to give yourself ample working space. Locate the kick panel directly under the glove box. You will find two T25 Torx screws holding this panel in place. Unscrew these carefully. Once the screws are removed, gently pull down the kick panel to release its clips. If there is a footwell light attached, disconnect its electrical connector before setting the panel aside. With the kick panel removed, you will see the cabin air filter cover. This cover is typically secured by 4 T25 Torx screws. Remove these screws, paying attention to any tighter ones at the rear. Once the cover is off, grasp the old filter and slide it out. Note the direction of the airflow arrow on the old filter. Insert your new filter, making sure its airflow arrow points towards the rear of the car or the firewall, depending on your specific model. Now reattach the cabin air filter cover, securing it with the 4 T25 Torx screws. Reconnect the footwell light's electrical connector, then align and snap the kick panel back into place. Finally, reinsert and tighten the 2 T25 Torx screws for the kick panel. You have successfully replaced your cabin air filter. This simple maintenance helps maintain optimal air quality and ensures your heating and air conditioning system runs efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.